Alrighty guys, so it's day 2 at this yard regrading project, I guess we could call it. Dad dumped me 2 loads of topsoil. We spread that sand from yesterday over there. So now we're going to start laying a little bit of topsoil on here. I'm not trying to make it look pretty, just getting it ready so we can Harley rake it later. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm probably going to get footage of Harley raking. It's probably going to be because yesterday we got skid steer spreading, so probably do Harley raking today, and that's what we're doing. So, well guys, Dad's loading up some compost in the dump truck. We got some stuff leveled off. We finished putting topsoil down the yard down here and across the driveway. So, Dad pretty much hauled it to me. I spread it out with the skid steer. It's just a rough spread for now because we're going to come back through with the Harley rake and make it look pretty. But this is pretty much what it's going to look like. This is the grade it's going to be at, but it's just going to be no tracks and looking pretty good. So got this, and then up here in the backyard we did some grading as well and some cleaning up. So as you can see, there's this patch here that we cleaned up, graded off. We just kind of filled some little divots in the yard with topsoil as well. That spot got graded off. Then all along the ditch right there, there's a bunch of big branches. We cleaned all that up. We're gonna Harley rake that all off. So this will all be nice and graded off and looking good. So that's pretty much what we've done, plus some other just little odd jobs. So that's what we've done here. Dad's gonna finish loading this up. And I'm probably gonna push this last little bit in this bucket with the skid steer real quick. Got a couple hours of Harley raking to do, and then this job will be wrapped up. out and leaves a nice finish. We usually hit it a couple of times just to break down these clumps. Pick you guys up in a little bit. We're gonna just keep on doing some raking, and I should pick you guys up in a little bit. Alright guys, so we got this yard all Harley raked. The ditch over there, that's all nice and shoveled out, Harley raked. So Dad's still working back there in the backyard, working on that just a little bit more. Still gotta get this. But other than that, he's gonna keep working on that. I'm gonna go dump. I got some rocks and stuff in the bucket. I'm gonna run it down to a dump site, and I'll be back. Oh guys, we got everything wrapped up today. We finished up this front yard. All that's Harley rigged, ready to be seeded. That berm over there. So I'm heading back for the shop. Dad's gonna take dump truck back. I can get the skid steer tomorrow. So everybody have a good night.